Is it gonna be loud? Damn. I like the clouds. Oh. I like the clouds. Look at the cloud. I see a bunny. What? Dude, say where we're going, buddy. Okay. Hello. I don't know. I like speaking English. Me too. Oh my god. I love it. I like it at night. Straight ahead. Look, it's a wiener dog. Oh god. Is my friend playing at the... Okay, now I'm really deaf. Really? Okay. Oh god. Lick it. They're making a pond. I see. Haha. Wee wee. Hi people. They don't look back. Owie! It's a donkey. Ah, little donkey. When are they going to take down those buildings? Wind. Hey. Oh god, I'm gonna die! Oh my god. On the watch. Kwatshmoto. I like the name Kwatshmoto. Why do people have that bright light? I mean, they're poles with lights. Bright light! My leg? Oh, cramp. Ugh. I cause cramp. Oh, hello, donkey. The ass is up. Dog is barking. Oh my god. I'm falling asleep. There. It's not a cop. There are no cops. Oh my god. That's first time. I can't breathe through my nose. Oh god. Oh, scoot. Hey, donkey. Oh my god. Wang. What? Cold? It's not that cold. Yeah, me too. Oh god. Wee! It's small. I like this. It's a good accessory. I like it. No, it's not. I like it. I like it. Oh, dude. Jesus. I want to dance. I like it. I like it. Boom. Someone did want it. Look at these. I get the rush. Make it chuckle, make it fly. Boom. Oh god. Really? Oh no. We just drove against tanks. Yeah, that's a gas light. Really? I don't see a blink. Yeah? I don't see a light blinking. Oh god. Can you hear me? Okay. I don't see a light blinking. Yeah? We took some pictures here once. Okay? Right here. Wee! Hello, car. Oh no, I hate this part. Yes. We Gucci. That's all. What? Being blinded! Okay, it's good. Well, Okay, good. What? Wants to race. Car. Okay. Oh god. That's so good. We need a gas station. Yeah, gas station. Cat party. It's a cat party. Oh my god. So we're going to a gas station? We have to. Oh my god. Dude. Think small. When Harry Potter was here. I've never been here before. What is... Oh! It's not a Leviosa. It's a Leviosa. Bros of rollerblading. I'm not... Yeah! Hello? Ow. Ooh, Tesla. Oh. Oh god. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. I'm gonna die. Fucky. Bro's waiting on the bus for 24 hours. Be like, oh dude. Ooh, scooter. He's like, is that a kid? Oh. Ow! I felt that. Hey, people. Hello. I saw nothing. Well, nothing. Oh, it's fun and cozy. Oh no! Watch out, Papa. Oh god, what the heck? You're getting violated. Oh I just got violated. Oh, I don't like this. Whee. Boing, I can boing. Hello. They're not many people. Oh, hi, car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness. 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. People got a car accident! Yeah! I'm gonna ask if they're okay. Can we pass them, please? Pretty please. I'm laughing my ass off. I want to pass them. I'd be like, dude, you can't park. I want to see, are you guys okay? I want to sit back. No, they're not riding away. They're not. I want to ask if they're okay. I want to see. Hi. Alles gut? No. Thank God they're okay. I thought they got in a car crash. Oh God. Ugh. Glitter. I like the view. God. Okay. IRT track. Wee. Dude, driving over the line. I'm tired. No, just kidding, I'm not. Hi! Oh, they looked. Hi! Dude, what the fuck? Oh God! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I called it. Hi! Oh, it smells good. It smells like spaghetti. Spaghetti eddies. I'm not. Oh God. I guess. Watch me whip. Watch me nay. Watch me whip. Where are we going? Oh, I like this place. Hi! I saw a cake. Who, me? I think we need to go to a gas station. Are they even open now? Hello? My friend lives here somewhere. I don't know say where she lives, but she lives here somewhere. I'm scared, and I don't want to kill my backpack. Oh, doggy! Oh, he looked. My doggy looked. Oh, it's too early for Christmas. Oh God, no! I got scared. Dobby the doggy. I saw a pumpkin. Not our pumpkin, but the other pumpkin. Oh God, what are we doing? There's a fly in my mouth. Oh, I have that house to have my mom. That's my mother. Who? What? No. I went to trick-or-treating once. Remember? I went trick-or-treating here. Remember? Nearly died again. Hi. You good? You Gucci? Where are we going? I remember when this one. People are already starting Christmas decorations. Like, dude, people are already hanging up Christmas decorations. Bro. Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play? Okay. Look, I'm not, but I am craving sushi. Can I have sushi? I only like chocolate milk and sushi. Especially sushi. Hi! Oh, I thought you said we're in Brown Town. Oh, okay. I was thinking, where? Really? Oh, we're gonna kill those people. Hi! Oh, is that speed? Oh God, we're gonna die. Hi! Nobody likes me. Hey, what wonderful. I don't know. Dude, there's a gas station. Okay. I like this restaurant. I like it. I love it. Oh, yellow car. Really? But there's a car behind us. And I don't trust him. Yeah. What the hell? Nose is cold. I'm not okay. Oh, turn. I'm crazy. Blink. Nobody's home. Dabby. Oh, I don't want to go home. Okay, what are we gonna eat? Hi! Christmas already? Like, dude.